Hello there everyone. Today I will tell you what is the exact costing on rough diamond to polished diamond. Now we are just going in this video about costing, how you can calculate it. Okay. Now we have to calculate rough diamond to polished diamond, in which what is the exact price ratio, after that what is the actual price of polished diamond and what is the actual price of rough diamond. Today I will tell you each and everything about the process, including some types of laser sawing process, some types of Sarin advisor process, some types of galaxy planning, and all the costing are included on particular rough diamond. For example, we are going to purchase any rough diamond. Now the rough diamonds are different types of shapes and different types of size. You can see here when we purchase any rough. For example, here I will show you, and you can also see from our rough there are different types of rough diamonds over there, and in that particular, this is one packet Alrosa rough diamond. Here we can take one example, Alrosa rough diamond. Now look at in this video, we have 200 carat of that particular rough diamond. But here we take one example, 100 carat packet. Now this is 100 carat packet, in which there are different types of impurity diamonds. Always you can see here different types of impurities in this diamond, like some of the feather crack, some of the pinpoint notch, some of the different types of impurities are also included in these diamonds. But the packet of this diamond is 100 carat packet, for example, because we need to learn from this rough diamond to polished diamond what is the actual price and what are the price are included in this process. Okay, let me take this rough diamond. After that, what is the next process? But before this process or after this process, we have to provide the actual price of that rough diamond. This rough diamond I purchased around $50 per carat. Now our price is $50 for this particular 100 carat rough diamond, but this price is per carat, so we have to multiply by 100 carat, so we have to pay $50 per carat, $50 for another carat, $50 per another carat, and we have 100 carat rough diamond, so multiply by 100, so we have to pay $5,000 for these particular packet. Now the costing, we have $5,000 for particular Alrosa rough diamond. Okay, this is rough diamond, raw diamond, and here Alrosa, not Alzora. Okay, Alrosa rough diamond, we have to pay $5,000 for this packet. In this packet, different types of impurities are available in each and every diamond. Some diamonds are very unique, or you can say that some diamonds are like F color diamond, rough diamond with uh, VS1 clarity also. Some diamonds have Si3 clarity also. Some diamonds have I3 clarity also. In particular, rough diamond. Okay, and you can look at here in this video. You can also see different types of impurities inside that diamond. Okay, now this is costing about the rough diamond. 5,000 per 100 carat, the packet we can live. Okay, now $5,000 for this rough diamond we already paid. Now our costing is included $5,000. After that, second process. This is the first process of purchasing rough diamond. Purchasing rough diamond. Before move on second process, we have to some discussion about this particular rough diamond. Okay, now second process is that why I purchased this diamond, because I need to see each and every diamond. I do not have see each and every types of diamond inside this rough packet. I have to took some diamonds, like in 100 carat diamond I will choose some 10 carat diamonds, and then after I put some average on it. Like how, now I will teach you how can you buy rough diamond. Okay, I need to buy this packet, but how? The seller give me 100 carat packet. Okay, in this 100 carat packet, 100 carat packet, in which the price is $50 per carat. Now the total price from here $5,000. Okay, we need to pay $5,000 per particular different type, different shape, or we can say uneven shape of that diamond. Particular the different size in this size 7 plus 9 plus 5 3 and 11 plus 14 plus. These type of different diamonds are also available in this diamond. Okay, now I will take some 10 carat or 20 carat from it. Then after I do assortment. What is the assortment? Some diamonds are rejection, in which this packet some diamonds are totally rejection. So I have to take some rejection diamond. For example, look at this packet, and from 10 or 20 carat I only get 5% rejection diamond. Okay, after that some diamonds are cleaving diamond. Now what is the meaning of cleaving? We have to cut it out, we have to doing some types of process like facet process. Some types of diamonds have, we can say that chapka diamond. So that are different types of processing that involving, I think that types of diamond is around 80% we can take. Okay, for example, and we get makeable diamond also from it. What is a makeable diamond? Directly we can manufacturing it, or directly we can put plan on that particular diamond. And what is the remaining 15% of makeable diamond? Yeah, firstly we need to see these three criteria, and then after we purchase this rough diamond. So the price is $5,000. After that we decide that is okay for me, I can achieve this price from making polished diamond, so you can go for it. And this price is not surety for you, then you have to leave this diamond and you can look at different types of and different kinds of diamonds. So these diamonds we need to see rejection diamond percentage ratio, then after cleaving diamond percentage ratio, and then after makeable diamond percentage ratio. After that you can purchase this packet. So this is simple method. So this is process of how you can buy rough diamond. Now we purchase it. Okay, so this is the basic step how you can purchase rough diamond. In this particular video I totally show you how you can buy rough diamond as well as the price list of particular rough diamond and what is the different step before you purchasing rough diamond. Okay, so you have to just see how many percentage of rejection diamond, how many percentage of cleaving diamond, and how many percentage of makeable diamond. Now look at this, and we are going in deep in this rejection diamond. Now what is the rejection diamond? Particular in rough diamond there is cubes rough diamond. Now these cubes have totally impurities. You can see here feather crack, different types of knots, different types of uneven clarity, and we can't get I3 clarity diamond. We never get any I3 clarity of polished diamond from this particular rough diamond, that is called rejection diamond. Okay, then after cleaving diamond, what is the cleaving diamond? If we have any crystal rough diamond and there is some types of impurities like this, then we have to do manual process on it, as well as we have to do galaxy process in it. So manual process and galaxy process, and after that we have to do some facet process because this diamond is totally packed. So then after we have to do cut it out, or we can say that you can look at in this video, we do some types of chapka on it, that is called we have to open this rough diamond. After that we have to need to see what is inside this rough diamond and what is the impurities in this particular rough diamond's stomach. Okay, we need to see. After that, seeing in particular rough diamond, we have to do some types of process like cutting out process, we can say that manually process, we can see that galaxy process, the inclusion are getting by any machineries, and we can say the galaxy machine, the capturing all the impurities inside it, and after that we have to do cleaving process, that is called particular cleaving process. Then after makeable diamond, what is a makeable diamond? Makeable diamonds is like these, no impurities inside, impurities are going outside, this is also called the makeable diamond. After that any diamond like this shape and there are no any impurities inside the diamond, that is also called the makeable diamond. We can put any fancy shape in it, as well as if we have diamond like this is also called makeable, but we have to plan like this, and this plan is taken by Serene Advisor. So we don't have to worry about that, how we can do plan on it by manually we can do. We have Serene machine, so it is very easy and simple way to getting two diamonds, and very heavy diamond, as well as the weightage is also good for this particular diamond. So this is called makeable diamond. So look at this criteria. After that decide how many percentage in it particular makeable diamond, particular cleaving diamond, and particular rejection diamond. After that you get $5,000 for particular these rough diamond packet. Okay, this is simple step. I put $5,000 for these particular rough diamond because I get this percentage ratio from this particular rough diamond, so I need to buy it. And after that I do different types of process on each and every diamonds, and then after I have to put so many rupees or so many dollars on it also. So I will tell you in next video what is the exact costing I do on this particular single rough diamond, and then after what is the exact price I paid, and then after the what is the exact price for my particular polished diamond. How can I include my each and every costing on these particular polished diamond? Now I have to do different kind of process in it, and then after I get this polished diamond, and finally I will tell you what is the exact price for me for this particular rough diamond and how many percentage I got from 100 carat. Okay, in this next video I will teach you each and everything about I purchased this 100 carat rough diamond, then after what types of process I did on it, and after that I get precisely polished diamond, and then after what is the exact price of that polished diamond in I can get from the market and what is my profit from it. Okay, I will teach you, I will tell you, and I will explain you what is the exact price gain from these rough diamond to polished diamond after selling it. So I will teach you in the next video.